Yes, dear students, I believe you will be fine and enjoying good health. Today is lecture number 7, how to open bank accounts and opening balances within these accounts. So this one is a very important lecture regarding to opening bank account. So let's start our topic. So students, how to open your accounts in different point of view. So first of all, you click charts of account, open new. From here, suppose petty cash checking and saving accounts. So we'll open 3 accounts. This one is our petty cash. I will separate design this video. Petty cash, and if you have account number, then you can account number. I put here assumed, routing number is not important, so here I put 100,000. Just one, 10, 100, 10, 100,000. Sorry. Start, ending balance, ending date. So we put here in the previous month 30th, and close and save and close. Now we can see that this one account has been opened. Sorry. Now you can see that our petty cash account has been opened in charts of accounts. So next account we will be open new bank account. So checking account, what is CHEQU? It is a, this one is a British terminology from check. CHEQUE, checking account for vendors, paying vendors and other amounts from the daily expense. Rather, daily expense you can pay anything from checking account. I give here as a HBL. This one is our account for paying vendors. So HBL XYZ branch, XYZ branch, sorry, it's code and anything you can put here. Account number, you can put here in this field account number, any account number. Routing number is not important. Put here opening balance, statement ending balance 500,000, ending date is November 30th November. Okay, save and new. Again with saving account, saving account, Quickbooks, Quickbooks, SP Bank code and branch location. Here you can put its bank account number. In the real life you have put here your exact account number, routing number. It is not necessary. Here you put 200,000. I have put all these amounts assumed base, hypothetical. In the real life, as you have balance, you can put here. Okay, save and close. Now you can see that our bank account and regarding their balances have been prepared and ready. So this one is the short video how to open the bank accounts for different purposes and their related matter. So students, now you can see that 3 accounts: checking account for paying vendors, petty cash for daily expense, and saving account for savings purpose. So I believe that through this video your knowledge will be polished regarding to bank accounts. If you understand that this lecture is very beneficial and important and increase your knowledge regarding to bank accounts, like, subscribe and give your feedback through comment sections. Thanks.